Today we're going to sew on 3 layers of very tight webbing, 277 thread, nylon bonded thread.
Our 2212 is one of our best sellers. For a long time we needed a machine that could sew up to 277 text nylon thread, and we didn't have it. Could sew it and trim it. This machine does both. But you can tell it has excellent stitch quality. Above that, it has one of the best warranties in the business. 2 years on everything, other than your basic consumable parts. Here at Dematron Automation, we specialize in programmable sewing machines. So if you have any type of project or any application you want to automate, give us a call. We deliver a complete solution from customized clamping to programming. So it's pretty much a plug and play when you receive the machine. As you can tell, it's beautiful stitch quality. Dematron 2212 guys. You need more information, feel free to call us at 1-888-492-5553. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you guys.